Buju, wago shindagu migizi indodem, gazagaskwaji mekag indunjiba. The Ojibwe word for September is Manoominike-giizis. Manoominike-giizis means the wild rice harvesting moon. In areas where the wild rice ripens earlier, such as Mille Lacs and in St. Croix, they may actually use the name Manoominike-giizis for August and have a different word for September, Ojibwe-giizis, which means the leaf color changing moon. So either Manoominike-giizis, typically, or for the southern Ojibwe communities, Ojibwe-giizis for September. Thanks for watching today. I'm Anton Treuer. Let's keep in touch. I'm active on social media, and my website has lots of information on my books, speaking engagements, resources for the Ojibwe language, teachers, and more. Miigwech.